Hello, nieces and nephews, Uncle Chris. I'm sorry for being MIA, but it's finally time for me to tell it and let you know what's been going on. I got Shy and Miss Nina here, and soon there's going to be the return of Jay as my cameraman. He's going to be very, very good. He's been practicing. Now, two things I want to do tonight. I want to tell you what's been going on, and I want to show you my Uncle Chris spice. It's an all-purpose spice I use just to flavor just about anything. Okay. Um, as you see, I've already put some onion powder in here. All right. So, my sister has a store. Now, for safety purposes, I can't mention any names or locations, but some young people have been messing with it and defacing it. So I decided to help her out and record these young little hoodlums. And I did. And when I did, they realized that I was going to the school to report them. Do you know one of them jumped me? Yes. Now it's getting better, as you see. It's still swollen. I can use it more now. But that little sucker hit me, and I protected myself. Now, because he's a minor, I did not hit him back. However, do you know the police did not arrest him? And then one of the parents actually came into the store and jumped on me. Now the police did something about that, you know. But it's a shame what the things are going through. Now I want to keep the channel on a positive note, okay? And I want to thank In a Pickle. I wrote names down here because I'm not as young as I used to be, but I ain't that old. All right. In a Pickle, thank you so much for worrying about me. Carla K, thank you. Jada, she's a new subscriber. Victoria, Salty Assassins, Lynn, I have missed you all so much. I really have. Maria Turner, Angie J, Rebecca, Vivian, Lemon Pecan, I love that name. Miss June Odell. Ooh, Billies Home Life. You have to check out her channel. I'll see if I can leave a link down below. You guys are going to like that. I just want to say to all my nieces and nephews out there, thank you for checking on me. It means so much to me. I know this video has been droning on. So let's get to the positivity and to the cooking. Yeah. All right. Take you an empty spice bottle. And now I have put my onion powder down in the bottle already. So what you want to use is equal parts of each. Already got your onion powder, right? Take you some garlic powder and put down in here too. Equal amount. Okay? All it is garlic powder. This way you have a spice ready to put on anything and you don't have to just put out all your spices at one time. Got my garlic, got my onion powder, right? Now I'm going to put my black pepper right in here. Or actually I want to, no, I'll just do it like that. All right. Now you see the layers? Take you a salt-free seasoning. Now, you heard what I said, salt-free. Because what does Uncle Chris do? Show you how to cook low sodium. All right. I'm going to fill that in there to about that much. Okay? Right. Take you some parsley. Put you a nice amount in there. Okay? Take you some basil. Basil. However you want to say it. Put a little bit of that in there. Kind of eyeball it. You don't have to make exact measurements because this is just a simple thing. Okay, we got it in there. Take you some smoked paprika because this not only adds color, it adds flavor. And you want some good flavor in your cooking. Oh, this too slow. Wow, no. Oh, this still hurts. Yes, I have a sprained thumb. A badly sprained thumb. It's a shame we're not teaching our children the old school way. Old school, we had time out. This was time and this was out. That's the way my mama and daddy did me. Oh yeah. And you know what? It kept us in line. That's right. Now, if you choose to put some salt, this is for people that can do salt, but I don't advise a lot of it. Okay. I use a very light salt. If you choose to put some in here, go ahead. But I'm not doing that because it's salt free. Okay. Put your top on. Tightly. Okay. All you gotta do, shake it up. Mix it up real good, nieces and nephews. All right. Now, you see how that looks? That is the look of flavor. I'm gonna tell you something. Once you mix it up like that, unscrew it, smell the ambrosia. And you will know that you've got something good. This here not only makes good fried chicken, good steaks, good pork chops, just about anything you can put this on, you know? Just shake your seasoning up and keep it well mixed. All right? Now listen, watch to the end. I'm gonna show you some excerpts from the barbecue we did. I couldn't show everything because of everything that was happening with the attack and the jump and all this. Just for safety reasons. I want to keep things safe. And I want to keep little Jake protected. Because all this happened in front of him, mind you. It was just terrible, you know. But we've got it taken care of. But like I said, I want to keep the channel on positivity and night love. Okay? And that's what I want, nieces and nephews. I want you to be careful out there. All right? Eat at home. Teach your kids respect and love. All right. Now, I got some videos coming out. My cheesy meatloaf, which is great. I thought I lost the footage, but I got it. I got it. Also, Jay and I are doing a special video. What do you do when you have tons of leftovers and you don't know what to make? Well, it's very simple. Garbage pizza. It's a Chicago street food. You gotta try it. That's coming up. All right. Check out what's coming up next. Big love from Uncle Chris. Jay and I are doing a special video. What do you do when you have tons of leftovers and you don't know what to make? Well, it's very simple. Garbage pizza. It's a Chicago street food. You gotta try it. That's coming up. All right.